everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video and I would like to take the opportunity to thank JCPenney for teaming up with me to bring you guys this amazing content. Now I gotta let you guys in on a little bit secret. I am actually sneak shopping. Do you guys know what that is? That's when you kind of leave the house with one intention and then you make kind of a detour along the way. That's exactly what I'm doing today. My husband and I are home decking our halls for the holidays, and we got a little bit hungry and he wanted me to stop by the mall at this particular restaurant to get something to eat. And then on my way, I knew that there was going to be a JCPenney here, so I decided to go ahead and do me like a little sneak shopping. So yeah, naughty, right? But this is going to be so worth it. There are so many amazing things here for the holidays and beyond. Great gift ideas, great presents, great decor, you name it, they have it. So I'm going to share with you guys the North Pole collection. I have been looking at a lot of these pieces for quite some time, and I'm going to be picking some of them up today and creating a tablescape and doing some decor around our home with it, and I'll be sure to share all of that with you guys as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. I absolutely love the holiday line this year. The colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. I am so drawn to it, but I'm going to do something a little bit different with my tablescape and decor next year. But you guys, oh my goodness, you will not be disappointed with all of the beautiful Christmas items that they have this year. I also came across these Eiffel Towers, which definitely reminded me of our time in Paris. So I have to include this on our Christmas tree this year. And I love these fam pajamas. This season, my family and I are going to be doing a movie night. And so I absolutely love the fact that it's a one-stop shop and we can grab PJs for the entire family. It's going to be so much fun. I absolutely love the fact that JCPenney is a one-stop shop. I can go in and purchase home decor. I can purchase new towels and sheets for my guests. I can purchase gifts for my family members. And if I needed to make a larger purchase, I can also purchase appliances. So this is a huge win for me because I am all about saving time and saving money. Now, speaking of saving money, I am hosting a $100 giveaway, gift card giveaway. And if you guys are interested, be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to give you more information on how you can win. So let's take a look at a few of the items I hauled, like this amazing stocking. It is so glamorous. I love the bling on it, and I love the little tassel detail around the edge of the top of the stocking. I mean, I just think that is so absolutely fabulous. Along with that, I picked up this centerpiece. I just could not leave the store without it. I love the fact that it's a neutral glam piece. It also has like the flocked greenery in it as well. So such an absolutely gorgeous piece. This JCPenney home collection that consists of a 40-piece dinnerware set is absolutely phenomenal. It includes the dinner plate, the salad plate, an 8-inch bowl, a 6-inch bowl, and a mug. Now, last year I did a video on how to set up your buffet for the holidays, and I used all white dishes, and many of you expressed your interest in starting a white dishware collection. Let me tell you, this set is definitely what you need to start your collection. You are not going to find a better quality or a better price anywhere. And this set is only available at JCPenney. It is a place setting for 8 different people, so you get 40 pieces for 8 people, and it is 100% porcelain. You don't want to miss out on this deal. So now that we have completed our shopping haul, we are going to start decorating our Winter Wonderland themed tablescape. Now, as you guys can see, I did add 3 glass hurricane vases and some pearls, and these are actually floating pearls, but you have to mix together like a gel substance. I didn't want to do that, so I just simply added water and I added some floating candles. We will have several children visiting our home over the holidays, and so I wanted to create that very, nice and cozy ambiance. But if someone happened to bump the table or knock over a vase, the candle would be safer in water. So that's how the candles look, all lit up. I mean, it already looks so cozy and so beautiful. If you are very simple, you could leave it just like this. But if you're like me and you like to glam it out, then you want to add the glam placemats. And I'm also going to do a napkin folding tutorial, as you can see here. So all I'm doing is I folded the napkin over, and then I wanted to use the napkin ring, and I wanted to use a napkin fold. So I figured out a way to combine the two just by putting the napkin ring over on the bottom. And you want to make sure that the open edges are on the top of the napkin so that you can fold it over in order to insert your utensils. You can simply garnish it with any type of Christmas picks that you may have. I could not leave the store without this reindeer. I absolutely love the reversible sequin and the fur around the neck. It is just so glamorous. I mean, I am in awe with it. So I thought it would be really cute for the kids to enjoy, as well as the grown-ups, because it adds that glam element. And the white dishes that I hauled earlier, as you can see here, I just simply layered the charger with the white plates and the white napkin with the little ice crystal pick, and I just thought it looked so classy and so glamorous, yet it's very easy and very simple to use. I could not resist these amazing snowflake glitter pillows. I absolutely love that subtle hint of glam. This would be perfect as an accent pillow in your living room or in your bedroom or even in a chair in your dining room. This may be a little bit too busy for my dining room, but I just wanted to give you guys an example of how it could definitely bring that winter wonderland feel into your home. It is so absolutely beautiful and so glamorous. So here is the overall view of the tablescape. I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and I want you guys so much to have a gorgeous tablescape this holiday season, or if you're looking for affordable gifts for your family. I want to help you. And so I'm hosting a $100 giveaway since it's the season for giving. And you guys know I am all about giving, and I'm all about living luxuriously for less. So if you would like to be entered into my gift card contest, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up for this video as well. And let me know in your comment how you plan to use your gift card. And I'm actually going to be reading every single comment to pick the winner for this giveaway, because I want to make sure that it goes to someone who is very deserving and someone who will put great use to this giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your continuous support. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.